Dear students, welcome to Blackboard. A medicine capsule is in the shape of a cylinder with two hemispheres stuck to each of its ends. The length of the entire capsule is 14 millimeter and the diameter of the capsule is 5 millimeter. Find its surface area. So here is given the figure of the capsule. I have drawn it again here. Now you can see a cylindrical portion is there. Then two hemispheres are on the both ends. Here the total length of the capsule is given 14 millimeter. Here it is given diameter of the capsule is 5 millimeter. So this length is 5 millimeter. So the radius is 2.5 millimeter. So we can say the height of this hemispherical portion is 2.5 millimeter. Here also one hemisphere. So there also the height of the hemispherical portion is 2.5 millimeter. The total length is 14 millimeter. Both the ends 5 millimeter is for the hemispheres. So the length of this cylindrical portion is 14 minus 5, that is equal to 9 millimeter. So we can say the radius of hemisphere is 2.5 millimeter. Radius of cylinder is 2.5 millimeter. Height of cylinder is 9 millimeter. The question is find the total surface area of the capsule. Surface area of the capsule equal to surface area of the cylinder plus 2 into curved surface area of hemisphere. That is equal to 2 pi rh plus 2 into 2 pi r square. That is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 2.5 into 9 plus 2 into 22 by 7 into 2.5 into 2.5. That is equal to 990 by 7 plus 550 by 7. That is equal to 1540 by 7 equal to 220 millimeter square. A tent is in the shape of a cylinder surmounted by a conical top. If the height and the diameter of the cylindrical part are 2.1 meter and 4 meter respectively, and the slant height of the top is 2.8 meter. Find the area of the canvas used for making the tent. Also find the cost of the canvas of the tent at the rate of rupees 500 per meter square. Note that the base of the tent will not be covered with canvas. So here I have drawn the figure. It is saying that a tent is in the shape of a cylinder surmounted by a conical top. So there is a cylinder and a cone. Here it is given the height and diameter of the cylinder are 2.1 meter and 4 meter. So height of the cylindrical portion is 2.1 meter. Diameter of the cylindrical portion is 4 meter. So radius is 2 meter. Since the diameter of cylinder is 4 meter, diameter of cone also 4 meter. So the radius of cone also 2 meter. And it is given the slant height of the cone is 2.8 meter. First we need to find out the area of the canvas used for making this tent. So we need to add the CSA of cylinder and CSA of cone. Let us find out it separately. CSA of cylinder equal to 2 pi RH. That is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 2 into 2.1. That is equal to 26.4 meter square. CSA of cone pi RL. That is equal to 22 by 7 into 2 into 2.8. That is equal to 17.6 meter square. So total area of the canvas equal to 26.4 plus 17.6. That is equal to 44 meter square. Here in the question it is given cost of the canvas is rupees 500 per meter square. Therefore total cost equal to 44 into 500. That is equal to rupees 22,000. From a solid cylinder whose height is 2.4 centimeter and diameter 1.4 centimeter, a conical cavity of the same height and the same diameter is hollowed out. Find the total surface area of the remaining solid to the nearest centimeter square. So, there is a solid cylinder with the diameter 1.4 centimeter and height 2.4 centimeter. From this solid cylinder, a conical cavity is hollowed out. So, it is hollowed out, therefore, there is formed a new shape that is the shape of a cone. So, now the new solid is from outside it is looking like a cylinder, but inside there is a conical portion also. The question is find the total surface area of the remaining solid. So, to find out the total surface area of the solid, we need to find out the curved surface area of cylinder, area of base that is circle, and curved surface area of cone. Here the radius of cylinder is 0.7 centimeter and height is 2.4 centimeter. Therefore, radius of cone also 0.7 centimeter and height 2.4 centimeter. Here, slant height of cone is not given. So, let us find out it first. The formula is L square equal to R square plus H square. That is equal to 0.7 square plus 2.4 square. That is equal to 0.49 plus 5.76. That is equal to 6.25. L equal to root of 6.25. That is equal to 2.5 centimeter. So we have got the slant height 2.5 centimeter. CSA of cone equal to pi RL, that is equal to 22 by 7 into 0.7 into 2.5, that is equal to 5.5 centimeter square. CSA of cylinder equal to 2 pi RH, that is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 0.7 into 2.4, that is equal to 10.56 centimeter square. Area of base, that is circle, that is equal to pi r square, that is equal to 22 by 7 into 0.7 into 0.7, that is equal to 1.54 centimeter square. Therefore, area of the remaining solid equal to CSA of cone plus CSA of cylinder plus area of base, that is equal to 5.5 plus 10.56 plus 1.54, that is equal to 17.6 centimeter square. Here it is given, find the area to the nearest centimeter square. So let us round it. We get that is equal to 18 centimeter square. A wooden article was made by scooping out a hemisphere from each end of the solid cylinder as shown in figure. If the height of the cylinder is 10 centimeter and its base is of radius 3.5 centimeter, find the total surface area of the article. So here is given the figure of the article. It is a cylinder and two hemispheres are scooping out from each end. So we can see in this article the curved surface part of the cylinder and two hemispherical shapes on both ends. So to find the total surface area of this article, we need to find out the curved surface area of the cylinder and curved surface area of two hemispheres. CSA of cylinder equal to 2 pi RH, that is 2 into 22 by 7 into 3.5 into 10. Here radius is 3.5 centimeter and height is 10 centimeter. So we get CSA of cylinder 220 centimeter square. CSA of hemisphere 2 pi r square, that is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 3.5 into 3.5, that is equal to 77 centimeter square. Total surface area of the article equal to CSA of cylinder plus CSA of two hemispheres, that is equal to 220 plus 2 into 77, that is equal to 220 plus 154, that is equal to 374 centimeter square. Dear students, I hope you understood the topic in this video. If you have any doubt, please comment.